guys, don't forget to subscribe and channel, like and share. Thank you.
Support this video, guys. So I review Inday about, if you remember yesterday, I review for Inday the about of 1 up to 10 numbers, 1 up to 10. I let her to write 2 words. So 1 up to 10 if you remember yesterday. So now I final to review with her. I try if she know or she can perfect. So what's up, guys? So okay, let's go. My baby. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Baby. Mwah, mwah. Yeah.
Mommy,
Number.
Mama.
Mama. Baby mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
Sige.
Another 6, oh.
Number 2
Two.
words. So,
Mama, hindi ko kaya kung sino nga.
6, 7, 8.
Ma'am, anha siya sa imo, mama. Imo lingkod ng
Ako ni ko. Okay. Okay, number 1. 1. Oh, number 1 is 1. Right. Hindi, write the number 1. Okay. 1. Okay, number 2 is 2.
Ha?
2.
2.
I love you. Na 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 na.
Sakto, ma.
Yes, 3.
Ha?
Number 3 is 3. Cha cha churret.
CH.
Yes. Churret. Okay.
E.
Yes.
E.
Okay.
4.
Okay. Number 4 is 4. 4.
Anong maling ko? Ano dili, ha?
4. 4.
F.
Hmm.
U. U. R.
Oh. Taduan tadi. Okay. 5.
Ha?
5.
Five.
5. Okay, 5.
I.
Yes, 5. 5. 5. 5. Okay, number 6 is 6. 6. Oh, you see how good Inday. She know already. If you remember yesterday, just yesterday, I teach her how to write and how to spelling that. But my eyes, you see, it's still red. I don't know what happened. Okay. Tara, oh. 7.
Ha?
7.
7.
Oh, 7. Oh, if you perfect, also very good luck na.
3.
Very red. Sige.
3.
7. 7.
Beka.
Mm.
No, B.
7. 7.
Beka.
8.
Ha?
8. Oh, pwede na kuan.
Dako man ang kuan ba?
8.
Ikaw na ganinin mo yun eh.
Ha? 8.
8 I G
Okay, 9.
He?
9. Hmm. 9. 9. Hello.
9
Okay, 9. 9.
I ha?
Hmm?
9
9.
Sakto ma?
Oh, sakto. 9. Ah, very good si ate. Good job, eh. Clap, clap ka ate, be. Clap, clap ka ate, be. Yay! 10. Yay! Congratulations! You see, Inday just yesterday I teach her how to write and how to spelling the numbers to words. So finally, now now yesterday first day and then now 2 days. Oh, finally, congratulations, Inday! Good job, she's perfect. Oh, good job, perfect. 2 days only. Really, be? Ano naman? Ay, yay! Perfect! Ano na? Yay! Perfect! Yay! Look at mama. Look at me. Yay! Perfect! Yan na. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching! Love you all! Perfect, Indah!